yesterday. There was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane.
Hello, welcome back to Life Millwave. And I have another unboxing. I was sent another diamond painting from FeeLook Art. And this time it's considerably bigger than the last one. And I've opened things up and had a peek while. So, but yeah, the company, I'm looking at their website here, and they've got mini diamond paintings, they've got different shaped ones, detail focused designs. They're just fascinating. 20 plus years in the company, and yeah, just really, really good. And again, this is an unpaid sponsorship, but lots to see. And this one's huge. These are all the beads. And this is Celine. And again, it comes with your little booklet here. Put your name on the back, your day you start it, day you finish it. And in this goodie bag, I dumped everything out. 2 trays, tweezers. Love these. A lot of companies do not give these with their products. Love that. Love it, love it. You get all your Ziploc bags to be able to reorganize all of these when you cut them open, as well as your sticker numbers for your bags. And then I love these pens. Your pen for putting your diamonds down, little container with your wax, and there was an extra little pen in it too. However, something you know what, let me show you this first. Here I am. This one's huge. So it is 57 by 72 centimeters, 20.5 inches by 28 1/3 inches. And so something I didn't show the last time that I got one of these, you unscrew this pen. This is a really neat feature. I like this one. Unscrew it here. It's got this plunger. And I put one of these white wax tubes down in there. The pen's already loaded with a little bit of red, but and you twist it back. And just keep going, keep going, keep going. And it pushes out your wax that you need. That is really great. You don't have to keep dipping it into the wax every time you want a little piece of wax. You can just put that in there and use it. So anyways, in the description box there will be a discount code. Go over, check out the website, see if there's something you like. They have different sizes. This one's a huge one. The canvas is such a nice quality, and the way that they package it, just amazing. So go over, have a look, and use the coupon code in the description, and hope you find something that you want to try. If you've never tried diamond art painting, get one of their little ones. Give it a try. And yeah, just have some fun. I've got my couple of my granddaughters doing it now, and I've got my one daughter's doing diamond art now. They love them. So there will be the code in there and the website. Go have a look, and if you get some, then tell me what you got, and I'd love to see your progress. So thanks again for FeeLook Art for sponsoring today's video, and we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Yesterday